Here at Portland Mattress Makers, our annual factory clearance sale is still going on. We still have plenty of mismatched mattresses, mattresses from discontinued fabrics, seconds that didn't make the cut. People wait all year long and they come from all over New England for this one sale. It doesn't matter what size you need, twin size, full size, queen size, king size. We've got everything on sale now. We have firm, we have plush, we have memory foam mattress, latex mattresses. If you're looking for a new mattress and you're looking for a great price, now is the time to come see us. We even sell all of our floor model mattresses at huge savings. So again, if you're looking for a great deal, now's the time to come in and see us at Portland Mattress Makers. This is our once a year sale. It's going on now at Portland Mattress Makers, but it's gonna end soon.